Hey guys, welcome back to the Greeting Farm YouTube channel. My name is Kristianne and I'm from Kristianne's Crafty Adventures. I will be your guest designer for today. And today we're going to be making this pop-up gift box card. So easy to make, no SVGs, just bone folder, scoring tool, and that's pretty much it. And of course, some Greeting Farm stamps to make it all pretty and so adorable. So let's get started. So, friends, the first thing we're going to need to do is we need to gather our supplies. This one is the base of the box, and the base of the box measures 8 by 5 and 3/4. I'm going to put in the description box a tutorial on how to make everything, but right now I'm going to tell you what the measurement is. And then this one is a cover, and this is 12 by 4.5. And then we also have these pop-up elements right here. And this is like 1 by 5, 1 by 4, and 1 by 3. Again, everything will be in the description box below for you. I already have a tutorial for this, and this is called the pop-up gift box card. And you don't need an SVG or anything to create this one. And of course, this is what we're going to be using. I'm so excited to use this. It is so cute. It's called Unicorn Birthday Anya. This is the perfect stamp for birthday month. I absolutely adore it. And look at that big sentiment right there. That's super easy to use. I love it so much. I'm so excited. So let's get started. This is what you're gonna have after you've pre-scored everything. So it's gonna show you in the description box. Right now we're just going to build it because I already have the link in the description box below for you. But this is what it looks like after you've cut and scored it, and we're just creating tabs for assembly. Okay, so super easy. You're gonna score it at 1 inch on both sides, and then this is the 8 and 5 and 3/4. So 1 inch on all 4 sides, and then at the 8-inch mark you're going to score an additional 3 1/2 on both sides. Okay, so the next one is you're going to score this one, and you're going to score, this is 12 by 4.5. You're going to score on the area where the side where you don't want the decoration to be. For example, since I wanted the cupcake to be in the front, I scored it on this side. Okay, and then in the tutorial it's going to tell you where to score. So this is where I scored it first, and then this is the 2 3/4 inch mark, and that's how it's going to work. So also be mindful of your orientation. This is just reinforcement, so we're going to attach that right there. You're going to close that up because that's just reinforcement. So easy. There. And then you're going to mildly score this with your fingers. Do not use a bone folder because this is for the book. This one is your cover right there. So let's assemble your box. Let's assemble the box. I have a more detailed description as well as the measurements in the tutorial link below for you. It's all gonna be there. I think this is super appropriate for this beautiful Anya unicorn stamp because it doubles as a treat box and a card. And I think you're gonna love that because it's just so easy to make. It doesn't require a lot of resources, and we can use our Greeting Farm stamps to decorate it. Right there. You're just assembling the box. So I've taken the liberty of stamping and coloring all these images from this stamp. Super cute. So I'm going to fussy cut this offline, and when I come back we're going to be assembling. And for this one, this is 5 by 1, and you're going to score it in half, and then you're going to fold it. So this one is 1 by 3. I've scored it at 1/2 inch mark at the 1 inch side, same as everything right there. So this is what we're going to do. And we're going to fold just like that. Fold and back again. Fold and back again. Okay. And we're going to snip it here. This is the center fold. This is what we want it to look like. Okay. Same. You're going to do that on all of the 3 ones. Okay, so let me fussy cut these, and then when I come back, we're going to start assembling it. Super, super easy. Okay, so now we have everything fussy cut. We're going to assemble everything. So the first thing you're going to need is this one. And this one, that's your box. These are the decorative things. Make sure that this is where the opening is. And then you add your glue. And then you add it right here. Make sure that it is a little bit close to the edge, just like this one. Okay. And this is how it's going to close. And then you're going to add your glue here. Let me get some more sticks. This is super easy to make. This is perfect for like birthdays, graduation. Okay, so you're gonna add it there. And then for these, this is where it's gonna go. So you're gonna start with here. So what's gonna happen is this is what it looks like, right? You folded it. This is the only part where you're gonna put glue in so that it's able to flip up. So you're gonna put glue right here. Make sure that it doesn't cross the score border. And you're gonna leave it flush just like that. And then you're gonna get your next size up. You're going to put the glue here in the back. And you do the exact same thing, and then you get the littlest one, and make sure that it doesn't come out of the page. So this is what it looks like right now, right? The next part is you're going to put glue here, here, and here. And it would be good if you use your wet glue for this one. And then you close it. So it's going to leave you a place that flips up, and that's where you're going to put your decorative pieces. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Okay, so your basic, everything is done. And then you get your Velcro. You can use magnet if you wanted to. I like Velcro because it's inexpensive. So I use Velcro right here. Then we'll close it just like that. This is what it looks like so far, without any kind of decoration. Yeah, basic. Then this is where she's going to stand. So fabulous. Let me get some double-sided tape. Right there. I just want her to have a little bit of dimension. So my double-sided tape is very stringy. That means it's old. It's been in the shelf for a while. Okay, so we're going to remove these. It's up to you how you want to decorate it, but I think this size of the stamp is absolutely perfect in decorating this specific project. Just like that. And then you give her her shopping cart because it's her birthday. She's allowed to shop. And then we're going to get a sentiment. It's going to say, happy birthday to my little princess right here. This is perfect for putting gift card and like chocolate in the middle. It fits a gift card perfectly. And it doubles as a card. So the inside portion, we're going to decorate it with the rest of our stamped images. Right here, you can put, but be mindful that it doesn't come out of the page. So when you fold it, I put glue right there, close it up. So there you go. Make sure that it doesn't come off the page. This one we're going to put right here. Just making sure it doesn't come off of the page, and then you close it. There you go, as you can see. And then you can add more, for example, gifts and such. You know, again, being mindful that it's not coming off of the outside portion. I have some webs. See, I'm going to put some of these. These are like unicorn cupcakes from the stamp set. Just like that. So super cute and easy. I want to take this opportunity to thank Greeting Farm Stamp for inviting me to guest in their YouTube channel and have an amazing opportunity to use these this birthday unicorn Anya to create some beautiful projects for birthday month. So cute. Birthday month is for PHA, so sorry, my voice is a little raspy. You can get some ephemera and add taller, but you have to make sure that when you close it, this is how I measure it. When you close it, it doesn't come out of your book. See, you can still hide it. That's what I mean. So you have to audition it every single time. And then the back portion are the ones that's taller. So you have to audition it. See, when I fold it, it doesn't come out. So that's good. Okay, see, it's very dimensional. And then you can put the tallest one in the back. Let's try this one. This is super tall, but see, it comes out of the page, so you don't want this tall of an ephemera. You want it tall enough that it fits, but you don't want it super tall that it comes out. Like, let's try this one. Is it still within the square of the book? Looks like it is, so we're gonna put that there. Okay, so when it stands, this is what it looks like. Very cute and easy. One more and we should be good. I'm gonna put the kitty cat in here. I'm gonna make sure that it doesn't come off the page. Oh, how cute. Look at what we have. This is so cute. Okay, it looks like this one. See, it impedes your... See, this one impedes it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to migrate my... I'm just changing it in real time. I'm going to migrate my Velcro up here so it doesn't get impeded by anything. Okay. So when your recipient opens it with a Velcro and they see your... This is your pop-up card. And then when you open it, that's where the gift card will be, and some, you know, like jewelry or presents. And then this is where the card portion will be. Just like that. Super cute and easy. I hope you guys like this this video. Thank you so much, Greeting Farm, for having me as a guest and being a guest on your YouTube channel. I absolutely adore this stamp. I think I'm going to use it all year long. Look how cute. They're super easy to color, super simple to use. And the sentiment is absolutely gorgeous. We can add more to this if you wanted to, but if you want it to be simple, that's okay. And this is where you're going to be putting your packaging or your gift card. So I hope you can give it a try. I'm going to put a link down below to the tutorial so that you can try to make it yourself. It doesn't require any SVGs, just your trimmer and your scoring tool, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful crafty day. This is Kristianne signing off. Bye guys.